Okay. Hi guys. Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. For those who are coming in for the first time, kindly hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, we are going to safari walk. So it's on a Sunday, and I just thought, like, why not just go and take a walk and reconnect myself. Plus I'm also going to meet with my friend. We've not seen each other for like 5 months. Yeah, so guys, come along with me. So finally we are here. Crispa, say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, so finally we are at safari walk. I'll show you around before we check in.
So safari walk is a landscaped zoo, and it's environmental experience at the entrance gate to the national park, that is Nairobi National Park. And it covers 2.5 kilometers walking tour. So when you come to this place, you will walk for 2.5 kilometers. It is inside the national park, and you can see the other entrance is going to National Park, Nairobi National Park. There's an orphanage, and there's also the safari walk, which is a zoo. So in today's video, we will be going to safari walk. The best thing about this place is that it's just a chill way to spend your day, and age is not restricted for all ages. And did I mention how affordable it is? For residents and citizens, the entrance fee ranges from anything from 215 shillings to 250, and for foreigners, it goes for $22. So whether you're a citizen, a foreigner, or a resident, you will need to have your passport or your ID. Come with us.
I just checked in. I'm waiting for my friend to check in so that we can start exploring. So I'll show you around before she finishes.
we finally came to this beautiful hippopotamus. And funny fact about a hippopotamus is that a male hippo can weigh anything or anywhere between 1600 kg to 3200 kg, and female, they weigh anything between 650 to 2350. Pretty impressive, right? Here, to my surprise, they only eat between 1.5 of their body weight every day. Oh my god.
That monkey, I don't know. I don't remember the name of the monkey. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. Let me please come on. Side. Piga nini? Oh, hasa ni gosh.
Yeah, agree.
Hi, kuna monkeys. So there's that ostrich. I don't know if you can see it well. There's also a zebra. sasa? Sasa hizo picha kunanga zote.
Sina hata moja.
So guys, it's been a very tiring journey. It's a beautiful place. We are actually halfway in. So far so good. One thing I can maybe if you
In case you're planning to come to this place, make sure to carry a bottle of water. Yeah, so that you'll hydrate yourself.
kuna kuanga na crocodile hapa. So let's see if we will see a crocodile. A crocodile. Unfortunately, there's nothing. I think it's no, I don't know. Oh, yeah, I can see it from afar. I don't know if you'll see it if I zoom it. It's there. It's basking. So beautiful. So now this is the water. So like it's like you're finalizing from safari walk. It's a beautiful place and it's like 3 in 1 because you use the main gate, it's 1, and then you can go to safari walk where you come and see those animals. Oh, you can also go to orphanage, elephant orphanage, and now you can either go to national park. So use the same entrance, but you can go to your desired place. Let's go and see the national park.
So for some reason, we did not manage to go to the national park, and we decided to go to Garden City and have a cup, or rather something cold, and call it a day. Thank you so much for coming along with me. See you in the next video. Mwah.